Hello everybody and welcome to your first Java tutorial. Today we're going to go over the basics about Java programming as well as making our first program about system.out.println hello world. So here we go, let's get started. First we could go over to our text editor. I prefer Eclipse over NetBeans, so let's get started. And so what we want to do here, if you don't have a workplace already, you can just make one. So I'm just going to go with this one I already have made, and we'll get started. Go to Workbench. If it's the first time opening up this window, it's probably going to say if you want to start a new project or start a new application, and you could just go with that. It doesn't really matter which way you go, but you'll end up at the same place. So here we go. We have our console down, usually over here, but it's not over there for some reason. But to get started, we could add our first project. We could go to the top left and add our first Java project. And we could just call this Java. So what we want to do is we want to make a class in our Java project. And how you do that, head up here and you go make a class. We just call it hello world. And boom, there we go. So this is our main class, hello world.java. And what we want to do here is we want to create our main. And what our main does is pretty much whenever Java is looking to call for an action, it always looks to our main method. So if we get into it, we're gonna call our println method inside the main so that the main could recognize it and print it out to our screen. So what we're gonna do, system.out.println, I wish I could spell, and we're gonna do hello world with a bunch of exclamation marks that aren't needed. And what you want to do after you have that, you want to have it in parentheses. Obviously, it's the only way for println to be able to see a string. What you want to do is close it. And what this does is pretty much end the line so that it could be able to see it. Once we have that, just go up to the top and let's run it. And as you can see in our console, we have hello world. So that's pretty much the basics of system.out.println and hello world. And in my next tutorial, we'll go over more in-depth Java programming as well as more applications to go over. Alrighty, see you next time and subscribe to my YouTube channel.